Tonight on Humans Gone Wild, we take a look at humans versus doorbell cameras to find out what you crazy humans get up to on other people's doorsteps.
That's right, Duncan. I've seen some of the footage before we went live tonight. And oh boy, have we got a treat for our viewers.
On today's episode, the Fast and the Furious visit suburban California.
A lady really wants someone to open the door.
Open the door!
A man gets struck by a door-shaped dose of coma.
And a gentleman asking someone politely to come outside.
All that and more on tonight's episode of Humans Gone Wild. Humans versus doorbell cameras.
Oh, come on!
Really? You have a camera?
Check out this cheeky little sausage, who's about to be served up a great big slice of karma pie. Let's watch.
The little rascal has literally just snapped her ankle while trying to make a great getaway.
Yes, she certainly has, Duncan. Wait, her crafty little accomplice has just come to her rescue.
Hold on, the cheeky little bugger is coming back for the stolen package.
And off they go, straight to the hospital. Good luck explaining that one.
Here we go. I wonder what this lady wants.
Let's find out.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you the owner of the orange car at
Yes.
back?
Yeah. I know
It's
it's loud.
really loud.
I know.
Like my windows are out. I don't want it to become a problem. Is it necessary for it to be that loud?
Well, that's how the car is. It's a race car. It's gonna be like that every time I go in and out.
There's nothing you can do.
No, it's a race car. I take it in and out. I sell it.
You
I mean,
can't put it somewhere. I mean, like.
No, I drive that car.
Yeah,
every
I don't
day.
want it to be a problem, but
I
you're
know,
not
but
giving me anything, and it's been years.
Yeah, listen, I'm gonna drive the car. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I'm not gonna do it, and then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drive the car. I go to work and I come back with it. I don't leave it running for hours. I was fixing it right now. Yeah, it's daytime.
I understand that. But
I
I'm
don't
trying
want
to
to
be.
be an asshole and all that. But go over there. I'm gonna drive the car. I just bought the car. I'm gonna have fun with it. It's my toy. I'm gonna drive
Well,
my
then
car.
we're gonna have other means of intervention here.
I'm
because
trying to
it's
say
really.
I'm gonna drive the car
I'm
to
asking
work.
you to be neighborly, and
I'm
you're
trying to.
not giving me anything.
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you and say
And
I'm
now
not. I'm not leaving the car running. I understand. I'm neighborly. I've never had I've never had anybody ring my doorbell. There's nothing I can do. It's not like I can muffle the sound. It's just a straight race car. What do you want me to do? Just tell me. What do you want me to do? Blow up the car? Throw it away?
No.
What do you want me to do with the car?
That's not my problem.
Thank you.
Well, I bet that's not how she thought that was going to go.
Wow, 28 times. That's how many times this man just hit the door and wall.
Well, even if the homeowner is in, I'm not sure they are going to want to be opening the door to this nutter.
Oops, there he goes again.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I guess we'll have to leave it to our imaginations as to what this guy wanted.
Well, bugger me, I can't even be asked to count how many times this lady has hit the doorbell already.
Oh, open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to you here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door. unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it.
Well, folks, the message is clear. Keep your cat out of her house, or else.
Well, that's certainly one way to ring the doorbell.
See you later. Hello, and who do we have here?
You can leave it, thank you.
From what our sources are telling me, she is a disgruntled food delivery driver, and she is after a larger tip.
You can leave it.
No, I could speak to you, actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's coming from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So I think you can come and see me face to face. Because I drove 40 minutes, and it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
I don't understand. You
Well,
did 4
I think
minutes from where?
from the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15-20 minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So
But I
when
think
did you accept the pickup if you think it's that far?
they don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
You gave an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
Okay. Is she kidding?
She may not have gotten the tip she was looking for, but here's one for her. That is not how you get a 5-star review.
40 minutes it took her to get it? Okay.
Oh, come on!
What is it with these humans that love to press the doorbell 1,000 times?
Give people a second to get off the couch and answer the door, for Christ's sake.
Oh, yeah, okay.
This guy doesn't seem to be a fan of his neighbor's camera.
And there it is, cleverly disguised as a common wooden door.
Oh, hello there.
Wait, she's getting away. Hold on, no she's not. No, wrong again. Off she goes.
Hey guys, so check out this video of this little boy coming to my house, beating on my door with a whip, trying to attack my daughter. Take a look at this.
Little boy, you better get your ass from off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go.
The lady and her husband have now came over to try to talk to the father about his son's behavior.
You got video?
Come over here.
Not really. We have it on video. All right, get off my property. Seriously, get off my property. Well, that's it. Because you ain't coming over here talking nicely. You're accusing my son. I'm showing you the video.
We're showing you the video.
The door. You ain't showing me the video of him scratching your car. Get off my plant. That's my vine. Get off my plant.
Baby, get off the vine.
I ain't even gonna go there. No, that's my grapevine. All right, man.
Okay, thank you. Can you please stop, sir? All we want to do is just talk to you civil.
That's the problem. You and your kids want to play victim. Your son came over here.
Y'all are so violent.
Your son came over here.
Baby, please, no.
Your son came over here with a whip. Bring his ass here again.
Please.
Wait, what is she doing?
Well, Kate, I think we seem to have another cheeky little doorstep package thief on our hands. And here comes Johnny Law.
Just in time to catch the little package stealing rascal.
Hello? Oh, hi. Sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front is broken and its water is spewing out. So you either need to tell the property owner or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water. So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Okay.
Seems like a nice crisp autumn's day. What could go wrong?
Here we go.
Here's your doorbell. Because seriously, if not, I'm going to have to start slamming on the door. I'm not okay with that. No, you know what? I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that.
Open the goddamn door!
I wonder what this lady wants.
Open the door!
I think she wants them to open the door.
Because I live here!
Kate, you sarcastic little
yeah,
bugger.
I do. I do live here. You asked.
Excuse me, miss. Is that your package?
I'm going to go ahead and guess it's not Kate. Busted.
What are you doing?
Picking up my boss inside.
Where's your boss?
This is 6019 St. Louis Street, right?
Is that your boss? Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm gonna call the cops. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Call my boss.
Ah, nice. The old I'm pretending to call my boss trick.
Not a chance she's even dialed a number.
You gotta look before you pick it up.
I'm sorry, you said you was leaving me stuff on the porch, supplies for the guy, sir.
This ain't it.
I apologize. I'm not running off that.
Whoops. I think you may have taken that corner a bit wide there, mate.
Just a little, Kate.
Just so the viewers are aware, their escape route is now leading them to a dead end.
The concerned neighbours have now come outside to check what's happening. The only way out for these pesky little joyriders is back out the same way they came.
Well, Duncan, that lady is definitely braver than me.
Or crazier.
The woman who was verbally attacked, and she says she was very hurt and disappointed that the man would show her such disrespect after she tried to listen to his sales pitch.
Does this lady work for us?
No, Duncan.
No, sorry.
Catch us.
That's not it.
See me on the website, you racist.
Are you serious?
You saw me on the website.
What website?
Shut up. Next door.
Wow. Just wow.
And what have we got here?
Open up, please. Just for a sec.
Can we help you?
Yeah, you can.
What's that?
Huh? Your dad. It's that mama song. Mufasa. Hurry. It's from Mufasa 2. Who's this?
I'm the owner. You need. We need you to leave, please.
Oh no. Absolutely not. I own this house.
You do not own this house.
Yes, I do. But you can have it. And a lot more.
It was on.
I'm filthy rich.
You have to leave or we'll call the cops.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. Well, I'm going to call him then.
Say that again, Logan.
Zach, just stay right there. I'm going to call the cops and have them come in.
Okay, hurry up. Oh my gosh. You better hurry up. Rashana.
Huh?
Hi. Who am I speaking with? Look, I'm getting ready to take off in a minute, but I'll be back here in about a few hours. We have an event tonight, right? You're marrying somebody and I'm marrying somebody.
Well, that was odd.
Well, that's it for tonight, folks.
Thank you so much for joining us on tonight's episode of Humans Gone Wild.
So make sure you don't miss an episode, make sure you hit that subscribe button and zap that notification bell.
Head on over to our channel to check out more of our videos on Humans Gone Wild.
Catch you in the next one, you little rascals, you.